Hello again. So now let's finish our notes on prepositions. There are a few rules you need to know regarding punctuating when you start a sentence with a prepositional phrase. So when you start a sentence with a prepositional phrase, these are the common rules you have to know, learn, and memorize. You will be quizzed on these. First, you do not use a comma when you're starting a sentence with a prepositional phrase that's less than 5 words. So 1 word, 2 word, 3 word, 4 word. Those are the sentences that you start with a prepositional phrase. You do not use a comma for this. Second rule, if there's more than 5 words, then yes, you do use a comma. So 5 words, 6 words, 7 words, 8 words, all of those sentences, you would use a comma. So if you look at the 2 examples on the PowerPoint, with their help, we finished early. No comma. But according to the latest news release, that's 6, you need a comma. Lastly, if it's a date. If you start a sentence that start a sentence with a prepositional phrase that ends with a date, then you also must use a comma. So look at the example. In 1879, comma, Dr. Sylvester Graham invented graham crackers. That must be why they're called graham crackers. So those are the 3 rules you need to learn and memorize. So here's what you need to do now. 2 things. There is a prepositional phrase worksheet in Schoology in the prepositional phrase folder. You must complete it and submit it on Schoology. So copy the worksheet, upload it to Google Docs, do what it tells you to do, submit it. The second thing you do is you must write sentences similar with the direct objects. The sentences that I want you to write are listed below. You can write them as standalone sentences or as a story. Your choice. I'm not requiring a story for this. Trick is you must underline the entire phrase and bold the preposition. Underline your phrase, bold the preposition. This is how I'm going to check that you're learning and getting this. So let me move me out of the way. Okay, so here are the sentences. Write a sentence that has a prepositional phrase in it. Write another sentence that has a prepositional phrase in it. Now, 3, 4, 5. Write a sentence that starts with a prepositional phrase with less than 5 words. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Write a sentence that starts with a prepositional phrase with 5 or more words. Show me how you know how to use the comma or not to use the comma. And then write a sentence that starts with a date. And when I say starts with a date, I mean write a sentence with a prepositional phrase that starts with a date. And then repeat these 5 sentences, submit them on Schoology. If you have any questions, let me know. And that's the TE.